I think it's snakes again.
I think a snake
Weird.
got trashed when they were
when they were mowing.
See, look it over here. It's what
Oh,
we
you see the rest of the snake. Yeah,
Well, some of it.
for sure.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what we expected. They mow the snakes.
Yep.
Because the snakes like to stay right near the path to keep warm.
Is that some more there?
Yeah, that's some more snake there.
Yep. So, no, I think they mow the stuff to keep the